Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I think everyone will agree with me that digital securities and crypto assets are powerful disruptive tools to raise funding, provide more value to customers, and make your system more resilient. Via Stobox, you can get exposed to all kinds of digital assets and get comprehensive services to power up your businesses. You can also get exposed to the Stobox ecosystem by trading on their crypto exchange and investing in security tokens. Stobox is recognized for its in-depth industry knowledge based on the analysis of dozens of offerings and regularity rules, multiple analytical reports, and regular contribution to the industry top media. Stobox Exchange launched a native token called STBU token, which will support the operation and development of the platform. Stobox Exchange launched an STBU token based on Ethereum ERC20 with a total supply of 100 million STBU. By having STBU tokens, users can get various benefits which as lower fees, incentives, increased value, and many more. User can get STBU tokens through supported exchanges such as Uniswap, Provit, Personalized Deals, and Get.io. I would say it is a good opportunity to invest in STBU tokens because when the launch of the Stobox exchange arrives, it will be the catalyst for the increase in value of STBU token and everyone will be able to make a profit. Stobox also collaborates with various seniors of blockchain technology in various fields to ensure they deliver the best services for their customer. Stobox often prefer interviews with different professionals on their YouTube channel, so everyone can learn a lot from them. In their channel, you will also be able to learn a lot about digital assets and you will also have the opportunity to get to know Stobox in more detail directly from the co-founder who is Boyras Piccolo. Now, everyone start to think that why has Stobox decided to raise capital through an security token offering now? Well, Stobox believe in the ability of digital securities to democratize markets. The sector is showing promising growth. Interest in digital assets and the benefits which anyone afford has never been higher. As such, Stobox believes the time is now to capitalize on this and establish itself as a force within digital securities moving forward. In this event, eligible investors who have completed the necessary KYC requirements can apply with Stobox for whitelisting. The security token offering itself will see Stobox rise up to $1 million, giving the company a valuation of $10 million. Funds generated through the event are expected to be used towards platform development, resulting in the growth of both sales and revenue. A question may arise that why this security token offering? The answer is simple. Companies are increasingly considering security token offering as a superior fundraising solution. Accessibility of different kinds of investors from different countries increases the available pool of capital, which increases the odds of successful fundraising and reduce the cost of capital. Increased liquidity reduces the risk of investor, further facilitating capital rising. A more diverse pool of investors leads to a better corporate governance and less control over the business from the profit-driven VCs. Many non-crypto users still have difficulty investing in the cryptocurrency market. Sometimes they get scammed when investing in a project or digital assets. And this makes investors finally give up investing in the cryptocurrency market. Stobox Exchange exists as a trustworthy and reliable exchange platform, which allows users to invest in various projects and digital assets that have long-term investment opportunities. Starbucks Exchange provides users full access to the world of cryptocurrency and digital assets and allows them to invest more easily through a user-friendly interface. If you have any further question, please check their website. You may also participate on their Telegram channel. It's the official Telegram channel. Please join this channel if you are interested. Thank you for sticking with me to the finish of the video.